Are you ready to tackle off-page SEO to increase your website ranking? In this video, you are gonna learn 3 powerful techniques to increase your website ranking. So keep watching, keep learning. Hello, I am Vineet Kumar Singh, a SEO strategist from SEO Discovery. As you know, in on-page SEO, everything is under our control. But with off-page SEO, it is a little bit out of our control. So first thing we can do is guest posting. It simply means posting an article on high authority website with an external backlink back to your website. It will boost your online presence and increase traffic to your website. The next great thing you can do is question and answer, just like Quora. Quora is a great platform to get pleasant amount of traffic. You just have to answer the question relevant to your niche, and don't forget to drop a backlink on your keyword. Last but not the least, to create social profile like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. You should go for those social profile which are appropriate to your website and which drive more traffic for you. So let me know in the comment box which off-page technique you are gonna use this week. For more such videos, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.